VASAGLE sent me these 2 bar stools for my review, and I'm really excited to show them to you. I just put them together and I tried them out, and they look incredible in our kitchen island. They do come in different colors as well, so you can have rustic brown, maybe a lighter wood. These ones here are the ash black, and I kind of really love that because the wood part here, really oversized wood part here, and it is MDF, of course, MDF as well here, but everything else, it's metal, so super sturdy. Love the fact that you actually have a footrest at the bottom of it, so super, super nice. Lots of hardware is going in here to actually put it together. It doesn't make it hard to put together by no means. Super easy to follow the instructions. As you can see, there's only a couple of pages. You follow through, and you've got so many different screws to make sure that this thing is super sturdy. It is wobble free. Why? Because they do provide these nice little cushions that you can adjust at the bottom of each foot right there. So super, super nice. And they are rubber, which is nice for your floors, of course. Really love the fact that everything here is metal. It can support over 240 pounds of weight on each stool. Man, these things are great. VASAGLE makes so many different stools and chairs for the kitchen area, for the bar area. These are perfect. They're called bar stools. We'll be using them in our kitchen area, kind of like kitchen island. Perfect height, perfect size. Love the fact that they're oversized. They make it really, really comfortable. It's the first time that we actually have one that looks good with a backrest, which I really am going to enjoy because it's going to be a little bit more comfortable to sit there on our island. So yeah, that VASAGLE, I highly recommend it.